Yes, students. Now I am going to make Androecium and gynoecium diagram for you. If in case sometimes paper demands for the question of draw the diagram of Androecium or draw the diagram of gynoecium. In that case, what you will do is, suppose we are drawing the stamen. So we will draw the filament. Filament is a stalk on which the anther lobes are attached. So we will draw the filament and then we will draw the bilobed anther on it. Look here, bilobed anther. Okay, now see very clearly, this is a bilobed anther. Okay, so this is the filament which is coming out from the anther lobe. Okay, and just roughly this anther, when get mature, it will give out the pollen grain, dust like particle. Now we will label it anther filament. This is the structure of a stamen, right? The male reproductive part of the flower. Single is known as a stamen, and all the stamens collectively called as the androecium. Okay, now you can see from the book also, it is drawn over here, anther and filament, and now I have drawn on the page also. Now next diagram is of the carpel or the pistil. Now see very carefully how I will draw. Okay, so this is the neck of the carpel, which is also called as the style. This is the bilobed stigma, and here very carefully we make the ovary. Okay, so here again in the center there will be a circle. The placenta is attached over here, so this circle will be closed here. 1, 2 and 3 cells in this side, 1, 2 and 3 cells on that side, 2 synergid cells in the center. Now we will label it as stigma, style, ovary, ovules. This structure is called as carpel or pistil. This is the name for the single structure, one carpel. If in the flower we observe 4 to 5 carpels joined together, we will name them as a whorl, that is gynoecium, female reproductive part of the flower. In the flower, when the pollen grains transferred from the anther to the stigma, the pollination occurs, and after that pollen grows a pollen tube and goes to the ovule. Fertilization occurs, and this is how flower reproduction occurs. So I hope every one of you now be able to understand how to draw androecium and gynoecium. Thank you so much, students, and please try to draw it in your notebooks also. Thank you so much.